What are the typical characteristics of traditional Irish music? Imagine stepping into a lively pub in Ireland, where the air is filled with the sound of fiddles, flutes, and lively drums. That's the heart of traditional Irish music. When traveling in Ireland and planning your trip, experiencing this music is a must. It's more than just tunes, it's a way to connect with Irish history and community life. Traditional Irish music is known for its energetic rhythms and melodic ornamentation. The core instruments include the fiddle, which plays fast, intricate melodies with quick flourishes called ornamentations. The tin whistle offers a bright, clear sound, while the wooden flute adds a warm tone. The Uilleann pipes, a type of bagpipe, produce a softer, more melodic sound compared to Scottish bagpipes. The bodhrán, a frame drum, keeps the beat with a steady rhythm, often played with a wooden stick. Accordion and concertina are also common, providing harmonic support, and the harp, a historic instrument, is sometimes used for solo pieces or accompaniment. Irish music is traditionally passed down by ear, not written down. Musicians learn tunes by listening and playing along, which allows for personal expression and subtle variations. The repertoire includes jigs, reels, hornpipes, polkas, and slow airs. Jigs are lively tunes in 6/8 with a bouncing rhythm. Reels are fast and in for time, perfect for dancing. Hornpipes are slower with a dotted rhythm that gives a bouncing feel. Polkas are quick 2/4 tunes, popular in some regions. Slow airs are more emotional, often played on the fiddle or pipes, conveying feelings and stories. Ornamentation is a key feature of Irish music. Musicians add flourishes like rolls, quick grace notes, and crans to decorate melodies. These small musical tricks make the tunes lively and emotionally expressive. When you listen to a live session in a pub, you'll notice how these ornamentations add rhythm and emotion, making each performance unique. The social aspect is vital. Irish music is often played in informal gatherings called sessions, usually in pubs or community spaces. These sessions are open to everyone, encouraging participation from musicians of all levels. It's a shared experience that keeps the tradition alive and evolving. The music can be joyful and danceable, or slow and haunting, reflecting Uillann's landscape, history, and spirit. Travelers who attend a live Irish music session will see how the instruments interact and how the rhythm drives the music. It's an authentic way to experience Irish culture firsthand. Whether in County Clare, Galway, or Dublin, the lively sound of traditional Irish music offers a glimpse into Uillann's soul and its sense of community.